I wandered far through fields of sin. My soul is tired, worn thin within. I've chased the wind, I've lost the flame, but still you whisper my old name. The night is deep, the stars grow cold, yet grace returns 1,000-fold. Your mercy breaks my walls of stone. I'm found again, I'm not alone. I hear your voice beyond the pain. You're calling out my name again. Tear down my heart, rebuild it true. Wash me clean, I run to you. I lay my pride before your throne. I'm yours alone. My hands once held the dust of pride, but now they reach for you, my guide. You write redemption on my soul. You make the broken wholly whole. Tear down my heart, rebuild it true. Wash me clean, I run to you. I lay my pride before your throne. I'm yours alone. Your blood still speaks, it covers me, a crimson river setting free. Where death once ruled, your spirit breathes in my surrender. I believe I will give you a new heart and put a new spirit in you. Tear down my heart, restore my song. Your grace has helped